Hi, monsters. Couldn't finish reading this story for you. Katie Fry, Private Eye. The Lost Kitten. Now, Private Eye is a detective, so she solves mysteries. Chapter 1. This is Katie. Psst, down here. Katie's has a big brain. Katie loves to solve mysteries. She solved the mystery of the lost glasses. Look, they were on top of his head. She solved the mystery of the missing cookie. See how she followed the crumbs? And he ate it. He ate all that cookie. She even solved the mystery of the early bedtime. Look at all of her notes. See, she wrote down all the clues. Her normal bedtime, what time she went to bed, it was a little bit earlier. Mommy and Daddy are all dressed up. The kitchen smells like roast chicken. There's candles, and it all means that it's parent date night. Look, she has a booth. Katie is looking for another mystery to solve. See, it says, let Katie solve your mysteries. Free, no refunds. And look at the mailman. He comes walking by. I saw a kitten alone in the park, says Mailman Bob. Katie knows exactly what to do. What is Katie going to do? Chapter 2. This is Sherlock. Psst, over here. Sherlock likes to explore. Look at the kitty. He's in the park. It says, welcome to the park. Perfect for adventures. Ooh, that sounds like fun. Do you need some help? Katie asked Sherlock. See, she found Sherlock. Sherlock looks this way and that way. He looks up and down and all around. So he's looking around. I am just a little lost, he says. Look at him. He's a little lost. You think Katie's gonna help him? It's the mystery of the lost kitten, says Katie. I'll take the case. See, she's gonna help Sherlock. She's gonna help the kitten find her way home. What case? Sherlock asked. Trust me, says Katie. I know what to do. And look at her lead the way.